broadcast is only part of the PPR experience. At KUSI.com/PPR, you can see full-length features like Jerome's Furniture, Sounds of the Game. This week, it's a doozy. Dave Everson capturing Helix High's Ezekiel Noa through his lens. He's wearing the wire. The PPR will be right back.
Questo! Questo!
You gotta call Ram Lion to the back and Spear and Pirate, all right?
All right, let's finish. Let's finish. We didn't give up. We went to the last play. And at the end of the day, that's all we got to try to do. But I'm telling you guys, we did not play physical football on either side.